Tamcraftish here. Welcome back to Cooking with Tamcraftish. Today I'm going to be making you guys chicken breast puree. Let's get right into it. First, guys, you guys are going to need three skinless boneless chicken breasts, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Obviously I measure everything. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of ground black pepper, 3 tablespoons of butter, 14.5 ounces of canned stewed tomatoes, can opener obviously, water, brown sugar, 2 tablespoons distilled vinegar. I can't pronounce for my life. Worcestershire sauce, yellow mustard. If I want to substitute for what's it called? Celery seeds. I just use that. It has celery seeds in it, so yeah, subscribe. And 1 clove garlic minced and chili and hot pepper sauce. Just get those ingredients. Now, guys, you want to combine a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 pinch of ground black pepper. Make sure you mix it up a bit, so because we're about to cover the chicken in this. So you want to get all of the spice that's in here, or the powder that's in here. You have to get that all able to be on the entire chicken. So I'm like, you know what? I got 2 giant pieces of chicken over here that needs to be different. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, the recipe calls for 6. So I'm gonna just cut this into 3 pieces real quick. But I want to be honest, I don't know how to do. If you want to be completely honest, it's the first time in my life I've ever dealt with chicken. So I'm gonna just saw through this. 1. This is gonna turn out delicious, guys. Don't worry about it. I'm Tamcraftish. You don't underestimate Tamcraftish. Got it. 3 pieces. You have no idea how interesting this is. This is the first time in my life I've ever dealt with chicken. Yeah, I do. Cut. Sauce. Saw through it. There we go. So cold, oh my god. So, before I coat this, actually, I think it needs a little bit more defrosting. I'm gonna leave it out for like a half an hour after I saw through this. This is so... Man, cooks are strong. Dear God. Oh no, I should have used the cup. So guys, I know. Mom, should I tell them that I'm making a video on it? Mom, should I tell them that I'm making a video on you know what? You know. There we go, guys. 6 pieces of raw chicken. Wait for a little bit to defrost, and be right back. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna just wait for this to defrost. But meanwhile, I'm going to 1, I'm gonna pretty much just memorize the recipe, and 2, I should just probably let you guys know that this. I was telling my mom, like, I should have used. I have a one of those cut-proof gloves where, like, I won't cut myself. I do that. Like, I'll make a video on that, guys. Look forward to that. Subscribe. Now, guys, you take the beautifully cut. I don't know if I've told you guys this before. I'm the son of Gordon Ramsay, so I see these beautifully cut raw chicken breasts. So they gotta coat it in the powder that we made. Is this the right one? That's the messed up. Okay, right. So you just coat it. It's slimy. It should just stick right on, I'm assuming. So yeah, once you coat it in this powder, go to the next one. Oh my. It still has a little bit of a frozen core. That's fine. Okay. I don't know if this is enough to cook this entire thing, but we can make more of this, I guess. Good. Next. Okay, just keep going. I'm gonna just come back to you guys when I've coated all of them. So yeah. I probably should specify to put your heat at medium level at this point, so you can put the butter in and make everything beautiful. So now, guys, you're gonna want to melt 3 tablespoons of butter, and let's see after that. So now, guys, once the butter is melted, you're gonna want to take your chicken that you covered and everything, and start putting it on the buttered. Put on the melted butter in the pan. So you're gonna have to brown. They call it browning the chicken to where it's like a brown tint. So yeah, guys, now you're gonna want to, like, after you put it in the chicken, you guys want to kind of move the chicken around to get all the butter, and eventually we're gonna flip it. So yeah. So as you guys can see now, we're starting to flip over the chicken, so the rest of the back of the chicken can start getting the butter, so it can taste delicious. Now here's the thing, guys, you guys want to keep moving it around, make sure all of the sides get all of the butter and stuff to make them perfect and everything, and make sure everything is browned. So now, guys, we're gonna start. There's brown now, so now we're gonna start putting the chicken in like a plate covered in paper towel, so they can like dry off and not be soggy. Now, once this is done, you want to turn off the heat. So now, guys, we're about to add the canned tomato and right there. And now we're gonna add the water. And now we're about to add the brown sugar. And now we're gonna add the vinegar. And now the Worcestershire sauce, whatever it's called. And now a tablespoon of salt. And now 2 tablespoons of chili powder. And now 1 tablespoon of mustard powder. And now a half a teaspoon of celery seed powder. And now 1 clove of minced garlic. And finally, an 1/8 teaspoon of hot sauce. And now you're going to want to mix it around so all the sauces and spices can mix together. And now, guys, you're going to want to put in the chicken. And there, one. Another one. Yeah, I'm an idiot for dropping that first one in. Yeah, you saw that. Another one. And once you get them all in, you kind of want to just, like, you know, so if some of them are short, you can cover them up in like sauce. Make sure sauce gets on all of it. Yeah, it's on the tops and the sides and everything. So yep. And And now you guys are gonna want to cover it up and just wait like half the time. I waited half the time, like 20 minutes out of the 40 minutes that I took to cook, and just to flip them over. Once all the sauces are submerged in one side, then you can submerge them in the other. Now guys, you're gonna have to take out the pan, let the water drip down, watch your face, steam's gonna be like crazy at this point. So now once you take that off, you're gonna wanna flip over, it's been 20 minutes, you're gonna wanna flip over the chicken, so the rest of the chicken can get the juices. So now guys, you're just going to take any spoon really and just like kind of drench the chickens in the sauce that's cooking in it. So yeah guys, let's go. After my sister just blazed me for not being cool, I put the after I flipped over the chicken, I'm doing 17 more minutes, 17 more minutes, 17 more minutes. 17 more minutes. No. And then I'm gonna plate it with some noodles, and I'm gonna put the sauce on the noodles to make them all beautiful and matching and delicious. See you guys there. Okay guys, I feel like I should document this moment over here. I got the noodles cooking so I can put them on the side. And now, moment of truth. Please be cooked. Oh my beautiful. Oh. So these things look amazing, okay? Mashallah, mashallah. Oh, bismillah. They smell amazing. You have no idea how proud of myself I feel right now. This is dinner for my I made dinner for my family for once. I am so lit right now. Guys, moment of truth. I got the chicken right here. Oh my god. This is so... Oh wow. So dinner today is gonna be lit. Subscribe. So guys, I finally got this done. Alhamdulillah, looks beautiful. Let me get this in the light right here. Sit down. Oh my god, look at this. Look at that presentation. Alright, I'm done for today. This is awesome. Now guys, if only I could express to you guys the feeling of satisfaction I have right now. I just made a chicken dish that tastes amazing, okay? First time ever. Obviously I followed a recipe. But this is amazing, like, alright, I'm done, man. You guys should make it for yourself, honestly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. See you guys. Bye.